Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are having if tan square theta is equal to 1 minus a square, proof that sec theta plus tan cube theta into cosec theta, this will be equal to 2 minus a square bracket whole power 3 by 2. This is a question for class 10, CBSE, UPBOARD or ICSE, whatever the type of the board is. This is the question up to the 10th level. So it is very useful for all the students, those who are going to attend the class 10th. Okay. In this question, you will see that we are only simply given about tan square theta. And this is to be proved in terms of A. This square theta, tan square theta is related to A. It means this equation should be converted in terms of tan theta. Then we can find this value. So our aim should be with this equation is to be converted all in terms of tan at the maximum possible. Okay, now going to start solution with the aim that everything is to be converted into tan theta so that we can put these values in terms of A. Okay, this is sec theta. Okay, sec of theta. Okay, plus tan of cube theta into cosec theta. Okay, this is tan theta and this is cosec theta. So this tan is related with cos and sine. So that this can be converted into sine and this can be converted into cos theta. Okay, cos theta plus 1 upon cos theta. It can be written as 1 plus cos theta into tan cube theta upon cosec theta. Now, this cube theta further can be written as cos theta, sine square theta upon cos square theta into this is cube theta. Sorry, it was cube into cosec theta. This is cos square theta. This is cos theta. So that one cos theta can be taken as a common one. So it will get 1 plus. This is tan square theta. And this is sine square theta. One sine square theta will cancel with this. And simply we will get only sine square theta upon cos square theta because one cos is taken common as one. Simply this one. This will be equal to 1 upon cos theta into 1 plus tan square theta. Now this is totally converted in tan square theta, but it is not in the form of tan theta. As you know that one relation is also known to us in trigonometry, that 1 plus tan square theta, this is known as sec square theta. And this sec can be written as 1 upon cosec square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. We are here having 1 upon cos theta, so that we can say root of 1 plus tan square theta. This can be written as 1 upon cos theta because our aim is to convert every terms in terms of tan theta, so that in place of this 1 upon cos theta, we can write it as 1 plus tan square theta root. So that this will be 1 plus tan square theta root into 1 plus tan square theta. It means total power of this 1 plus tan theta will be equal to 1 plus tan square theta to the power 1 plus 1 by 2. That is 1 plus tan square theta whole to the power 3 by 2. Now we are given tan square theta is equal to 1 minus a square. So that we can replace this tan square theta in terms of 1 minus tan square theta. So that inside the bracket we will get here 2 plus 2 minus a square whole to the power 3 by 2. Hence proved. Trick was this, that everything is to be converted into tan theta. Though this can be written directly, no? Everything is converted into tan theta, and after this we can put the value of tan square theta is equal to 1 minus a square. It will be solved. Okay, thanks for watching my video from beginning to last, and I'm very thankful to you. Please remain in touch with me. Watch my videos continuously. All the topics are there, especially with trigonometry and coordinate geometry and arithmetical progressions. These are all the related with 10th class. You can watch it, you can learn, and very competitive questions are also there. Those who are going to attend competitions after 12th, they can also watch my videos related to those who are going to attend CAT, ZAT, MAT, different type of the competition, GMAT. From the various topic, I have tried my best to solve these type of the important questions. You can watch it, you can learn it, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and give me thumbs up. Okay, thank you. Good night. Good luck.